Hi everyone, welcome friends to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to lower the screen on your iPhone. Make sure friends subscribe to our channel. Also put likes in the video and write your comments after watching. So, let's get started. And I want to say that this is a pretty simple and quick process. And I want to start by showing you what screen I'm talking about now and what it means to lower the screen. Let's say we go to a website. And here you can see at the top of the bottom you can see a bar like this. And in order to lower the screen you have to swipe down like this, a little bit on the screen above this bar. So, as you can see, part of the screen is freed up. This can be very handy, friends, for example, if you need to print something at the bottom. So you can put it down and start typing. Or in general, in various situations, this option can actually be very handy. To enable it, you'll need to go into the settings. Then select this section right here. Then, touch. And here you can find this option, thanks to which you can lower the screen in this way. You will just have to press the button to enable this lowering of the screen. That's it. With this easy and quick method, friends, you will be able to lower the screen on any iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, put your likes. Bye-bye, everyone.